Forget famous guitar gods. Today we are breaking down a killer pedalboard sent in by one of our subscribers. From genius signal chain to budget hidden gems, you are about to learn a ton. Let's dive in. Our first pedalboard on the series belongs to Gabriele and it came from Europe, Abruzzo, Italy. Let's see the picture together and let's discuss the signal change. We start with the tuner, the Mod-Tone MTCT chromatic tuner. From there we go to the volume pedal, the Boss FB50L, which is actually mod by Gabriele. And it's a perfect first pedal, that's what he said. From there we go to the Octave, the TC Electronic 7-up Octave, a very famous one. Next one, the Wah-Wah Dunlop Crybaby, a classic. Here is very interesting thing, it's an optional overdrive, the GDR Guitar Custom Overdrive, designed and built by Gabriele. I like these kind of things a lot. Definitely Gabriele is putting a lot of effort in order to get the sound that he wants. The next one is the NUX, the Amp Academy NGSC, a simulation amp. Now we go to the modulation effects. The first one in the change, the chorus, the TC Electronic Corona Chorus. We go into the delay, the classic one, the Ibanez DE7 Vintage Echo Delay. Then we have two reverbs. The first one is the shimmer, the TC Electronic Fluorescence Shimmer Reverb. And the next one is the TC Electronic Sky Surfer Mini Reverb. Last pedal on the chain is a boost, the TC Electronic Spark Booster. Everything is powered by the power bar, Palmer Power Bar PWT12. Let's take a look to the amplifier. This is Gabriele's Marshall Hayes 40, such a wonderful guitar amplifier, not too big, not too small. I think it's pretty easy to carry when you have to go out for a gig, and it's a great combo with the pedalboard, the guitar and the amp. This is important because we can see clearly the choices that we made sometimes depending on the guitar that we have and the amplifier. That could change a lot if we want some specific type of overdrive or delay or boost. Is the characteristic of the amp, the pickup of the guitar, who can also make a big difference in the way that we think and create our own pedal. Let's take a quick look into Gabriele's guitar. This is a handmade guitar by APS Guitar. It's a custom guitar. As you can see in the picture, such a beautiful guitar. When Gabriele has the chance to play with his own amp, the Marshall Hayes 40, this is the signal change. Starting from his guitar, going through the tuner, volume pedal, octave, wah-wah, overdrive, here is not an option, into the amplifier, no, we are in the Marshall. From there, we send to the modulation, chorus, the delay, the shimmer, first reverb, the mini reverb, the second one, and the boost pedal. Then we go to return, as you can see in the graphic, and the output to a mic, in case that we have to mic the amplifier, to a mixer, to a PA. Every time that Gabriele has to play without a real amp, he has his setup with the NUX Amp Academy. Let's follow the signal change. From his guitar, he's gonna go into the tuner, volume pedal, octave, wah-wah, optional overdrive, into the NUX Amp Academy. Okay guys, from there you can see in the graphic there is a send, and that's gonna be for the modulation effect, chorus, the delay, the shimmer, the first reverb, the second, the mini reverb, and the boost pedal. And it's gonna return to the Amp Academy, and there's gonna be an output to a mixer, to a PA. After sharing Gabriele's pedalboard with you, we would like to mention three specific things. The number one you can see in the screen is the TC Electronic Spark Booster. Okay, this is a clean boost / mild overdrive that not too many people have in the radar. So pay attention, it's affordable, sounds great, and it's pretty versatile. The second thing that I would like to mention is the Ibanez delay, a classic one, an old vintage guitar gear that shows and proves that the old stuff still works. And number three is a great recognition for the NUX, let me see the name, NUX Amp Academy NGS6. This is a great amp simulator, it's pretty affordable, and this company NUX is making so many good products for us guitarists to take advantage. So go check it out because you are not gonna regret it. That's all for today, guys. We are very excited with this new series of Pedalboard from our subscribers. So don't forget, start sending us your pictures about your guitars, amps, pedals, and we will feature you as soon as possible. We have a waiting list. There is Gabriele, today was the kickoff, but we have still 2 more coming on the way, and we are very excited about this. Also, talking about Gabriele, thank you so much to him and to his wife Martina, and let me talk about them a little bit because it is very important, and I need you guys that you are watching there to support Gabriele and Martina. They have an incredible YouTube channel. They do amazing guitar backing tracks, they do music for film, they are incredible musicians, multi-instrumentalists, composers, and they can work with any of the project that you are into. So contact them, watch his work because it's really good, more than 100 videos right now. They have a almost 2,000 follower community, and they need your support and they need your encouragement because Gabriele is going into a very hard times with his health condition. He stopped working on his old regular job, and now things are getting very hard economically for them. So please show some love because we need to support each other. It is very important, and here from M&R, this is something that anytime that we have the chance to do it, we would like to talk about and try to collaborate. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in everything about pedalboard signal change, don't forget to check our M&R pedalboard signal change. We had 2 videos, part 1 and part 2, that you will find it very interesting. My name is Marcelo, we are M&R Music Revolution from here, from New York City to the rest of the world. See you guys soon. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.